It's shooting.
It's recording.
Oh, man. That was so much fun.
But we probably don't need your phone. Let me have
I
that.
don't like my phone.
No.
Where's the towel?
You need a towel in case you bleed on the pillow.
Oh, gross.
Hey, can I tell her a joke? See if she laughs.
Oh,
Hey, Kelly, want to hear a joke?
yeah.
What do you call cheese that's not yours? No, it's not your tongue. It's there.
Yeah.
You just need to push that towards the back. Push it back.
Oh,
All right, we're good.
I'm just so thirsty.
Okay, well, I'm not sure you're gonna be able. You can't use the straw.
I'm so.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna. You're gonna have it all over you.
That's my tongue. Why?
Your tongue is okay. You want to take that out?
Is my tongue?
No, that's your gauze.
Where's my tongue?
It's in there, sweetie. Believe me, it's in there. The gauze is real big, though. The gauze is, you got two gauze on either
Tongue?
side.
Tongue?
Yep. Lip. It's your lip.
Oh, where is it?
It's swollen. You probably had it numbed.
Come on.
There you go. Big gauze.
I don't know where it goes. I can't
Hey.
let it go.
Tongue's there.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, I'm tired.
Kelly, drinking a water bottle.
I can't feel my lip.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard.
It feels funny. I feel like my bottom lip is half my face. Doesn't taste good. Ew.
Probably tastes like blood
Yep.
because it's bleeding.
And they good. And they good. And they good.